Alright, so we all want to be paid well for our job, and we all want to be compensated well for the time that we put into our job. So today we'll look at 10 tech jobs that pay more than 100K. Now these are only tech jobs, and these are not in any order, and the reason you should watch this video and not any other video is because my numbers are more accurate to the real world than you're gonna check out on any other website. Most websites will have like very high numbers that are really unrealistic for most people. So these numbers have actually been confirmed by people who work in the industry. So let's begin. At number 1, we have network architect. You can expect 105K, $105,000. Job requirements are bachelor's in computer science and IT. However, you can get a very good, highly paying network architect jobs if you have a Cisco certified, if you have a Cisco certificate. Now, CompTIA, NetPlus, those things used to be valuable and stuff, but that is no longer the case. Nowadays, you need a very good Cisco certificate, a very high one also. CCNA is just the start. You need CCNP, and hopefully you get all the way up to CCIE. It's really not extremely difficult. You can get it done if you can. 2 of my friends have gotten it done. So please, if you're looking to be a network architect, please think about going the CCIE route. Let's look at number 2, application development manager. Now, there are a lot of people who want to be application developers, programmers, but what you need to understand is that there are demands for managers, and these managers are compensated well. So what you need to become a manager is a bachelor's degree in computer science, an MBA, or equal experience. You don't really necessarily need the MBA if you have a lot years of experience as a developer. 115K should be easily achievable for you if you have, let's say, a computer science degree with 6 years of experience. Do look into this. This is a very good job. This is highly satisfying. This is also a very meaningful job, and stress levels are somewhat lower than you would experience as a developer yourself. So let's look into the next one, which is solutions architect. So solutions architects, what they're responsible for is to look at a problem and figure out what the problem requires, what the solution is, what needs to be done, and then put together a plan to achieve that goal. Solution architects make a lot of money. Solutions architect can easily, this number is easily achievable, 100K, bachelor's in computer science or equivalent actually, and if you're able to become a Cisco solutions architect, that's even better. That would pay at least 120. The solutions architect in general have varying workloads. So some months you're going to have high workload, some months you're just not going to have any workload at all. So that's really fun. So yeah, look into becoming a solutions architect. It is a very satisfying job. Now, next one is database architect. So there's a lot of data on the web. You know, Google has a lot of data. Pretty much every company in this world has a lot of data that they need to figure out how to reduce the amount of storage space. Now, although data architect doesn't really focus on reducing storage space, that's more of a data warehousing, data scientist job. Data architect, what they do is look at a web application and figure out what kind of database does it need to be. They set up databases, they set up the structures for the databases, and they just get paid all day. What you need is a bachelor's in computer science or IT. You're most likely going to be working with Oracle or MySQL. I mean, they really both go hand in hand. By the way, MySQL and SQL is not the same thing. MySQL is an application. SQL is the language. And Oracle is also another application that is used by bigger companies. Data warehousing manager. Now this This guy is the big boss. This guy is making the big bucks. Data warehousing manager, the day you start your job as a data warehousing manager is the day you get paid 105K, $105,000. I'm sorry, $105,000 plus benefits. So let's not forget about that. You need a bachelor's in computer science plus 4 years experience. As soon as you start your career, this is the salary you will get. What your job as a data warehousing manager is to figure out the strategies you're going to use to warehouse big data. You're going to be working with big data. This is not your typical web applications type stuff. This guy is basically focused on what is the most efficient way to store data. Now, most data scientists, most data analysts and data architects, they will work with relational databases, but data warehousing managers are completely different. They're not working with relational databases necessarily. They're working with multiple types of databases that are much more complicated than that. So please look into that. This is a great career to be in if you want something steady, something nice, something predictable. Please do subscribe before we move on to the next job. Please do subscribe to our channel. Our mission is to bring you videos that are practical, right? So a lot of these YouTube channels or websites you'll see boasting numbers. They'll give you like, oh, make 200K, make 250K. Those numbers are high. Those numbers are rare. The numbers we provide you with are very achievable. You should be able to go out in the industry, follow the steps, and pretty much get a job using those numbers. So please do subscribe to our channel. We're a new channel. Help us grow. And we will, if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below. Let's move on to the next one. Data scientist, 110K easily. But you need a bachelor's in computer science plus knowledge of Hadoop. But if you learn Hadoop, Scala, and Spark, your salary will easily be 200K. So let's remember that. So Hadoop and Scala, Spark, these are all frameworks. Well, more or less. These are all kind of these are all languages that are built to run, built to work with big data, and data scientists are actually, always going to be working with big data, not just your normal typical e-commerce BS that you see or normal website stuff that you see. These people are not only gathering big data, they're also structuring data, they're also manipulating data into new forms of visibility. You are going to be required to learn some machine learning, but don't worry, that's actually not that difficult. So I want to thank you for watching till the end of this video. Now, even though I just uploaded this amazing video about amazing jobs that pay well, there's actually another video by Engineer Truth, which goes into detail about jobs that are not necessarily in the tech industry. If you are looking for jobs in general and you're not sure if you want to be in the tech industry but still be paid well, I suggest you check out that video by Engineer Truth. Click this link and please visit their channel. They are amazing. They make amazing videos. I've been a fan for a long time. Thank you for watching. This has been Glatso.